Every time you log into your bank account, your data is protected by RSA encryption, a system that relies on numbers so large they stretch the limits of human comprehension. There is a practical ceiling to how fast a processor can crunch data. Calculating these massive numbers directly as single monolithic equations is highly inefficient. If our computers were forced to process these giant encrypted values in a traditional linear progression, global networks would struggle to keep up with the demand. Yet, despite the sheer scale of the math involved, modern networks process these encryptions in milliseconds. This speed is possible because the hardware doesn't treat the calculation as one giant block. It breaks the problem into smaller, independent pieces. This fragmentation method predates modern computer science by nearly 2 millennia. The seamless speed of digital security relies on a remainder-based logic discovered thousands of years before the first electronic computer. Ancient Chinese mathematicians developed techniques to find unknown quantities by looking at the leftovers, or remainders, created when those quantities were divided by several different numbers. For example, an unknown number leaves a remainder of 2 when divided by 3. That same unknown quantity also leaves a remainder of 3 when divided by 5. This works because of a specific mathematical condition. The divisors involved must be pairwise coprime. Since 3 and 5 share no common factors other than 1, they provide unique information. Because these divisors are mathematically independent, they act as separate constraints that narrow down the possible values without redundant overlap. When these conditions are independent, a few incomplete fragments of information are actually enough to identify the hidden total. The Chinese Remainder Theorem guarantees these fragments will intersect at one unique solution within the product of the divisors. In this case, multiplying 3 by 5 gives us a window of 15 units. Within that 15-unit window, the only number that satisfies both conditions is 8. Modern computers use this same remainder logic to handle RSA encryption keys. Instead of laboring over one massive equation, the computer breaks the large value into several smaller remainder problems. The hardware solves these smaller problems simultaneously in parallel, which is significantly faster than processing the original number in a single sequence. By solving these parallel fragments and recombining them, computers can reach the final answer while avoiding the computational bottlenecks of monolithic math. The Chinese Remainder Theorem serves as a blueprint for computational efficiency. It demonstrates that as long as the mathematical constraints are independent, we don't need to tackle a massive problem all at once. We can distribute a massive task across different processors and still arrive at the correct result for the whole. We have seen how independent fragments can be combined into a single, predictable answer. Next, we'll look at the opposite problem, how guaranteed patterns naturally emerge within total chaos with Ramsey's theorem.